How to turn on or off Hibernate mode in Windows. In this video, I will show you how can you easily turn on or off the Hibernate mode in your Windows. So without any delay, let's get started. So let me tell you first what is Hibernate mode. It's simply the mode which enables our device to save the data and preserve it and save the battery performance of our device. So to enable this feature, you need to go to your run option and there you need to type command prompt. Once you see the option of command prompt, right click on it to run it as an administrator. When you right click, you will see small option box. Click the first option, Run as Administrator. There you need to type something simply to turn on the Hibernate mode. As you can see, my command prompt has been opened. So to turn on the Hibernate mode, I will type powercfc.exe /hibernate off. This is to turn off the Hibernate mode. To turn on the Hibernate mode, follow the same process. Type powercfc.exe /hibernate on. Here I will not type the on because it will then turn off my computer. And that's all. That is how easily you can turn on or off the Hibernate mode on your Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.